In this world, it does not take a knife to destroy someone's life. Sometimes, all it takes is an accusation, a single word, thief. And once that word is spoken, truth becomes powerless, mercy disappears, and human beings become worse than fear itself. This is the story of a girl who almost lost everything because people chose anger instead of truth. It was late afternoon. The sun was neither hot nor cold. It simply watched. In a quiet home along a dusty street, a mother stood before her daughter. Her name was Amara, 16 years old, young, respectful, still innocent. The mother placed money in her hand, 5,000 naira, 3 1,000 naira notes, and 4 500 naira notes. The notes were new, crisp, untouched. The mother spoke carefully. "My daughter, this money is borrowed. Please be careful." Amara nodded. "I will, Mama." She stepped out of the house. She did not know, before sunset, her life would almost be destroyed. She arrived at the shop. "Good afternoon, Ma." The woman looked at her. "What do you want?" Amara asked politely. The woman searched, then shook her head. "It is not available." Amara nodded. "Thank you, Ma." She turned and walked away. Suddenly, a scream tore through the air. "Thief!" People froze. Hearts began to race. The woman pointed at Amara. "She stole my money!" The crowd gathered. Fear began to spread. Amara trembled. "I did not steal anything." If you are listening right now, take 5 seconds, subscribe, like, and share this story, because stories like this are warnings. They searched her. Her hands were shaking, her heart was racing. Then they found it. 5,000 naira. Exactly the same. The crowd exploded in anger, voices shouting, judgment rising. Amara cried, "It is mine, please!" Then suddenly, a voice screamed from afar, "My daughter!" Her mother arrived, breathing hard, eyes filled with fear. "She is not a thief. I gave her the money." Then the neighbor spoke. "It is true. I lent her the money." Silence fell. Heavy silence. Truth had arrived, but the damage was already done. Jungle justice is not justice. It is fear. It is anger. It is regret. That day, Amara survived, but her life would never be the same. Remember this story, because somewhere, right now, another innocent person may be standing before a crowd. Subscribe now, because more stories are coming. Stories that will open your eyes. Stories you will never forget.